Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crypto Basics. In today's episode, we will be learning how to purchase Bitcoin on Paxful using your mobile device. To purchase Bitcoin on Paxful, open the Paxful application and log into your account. After signing into Paxful account, go ahead and tap on the wallet button at the bottom of the screen. Inside your wallet section, go ahead and look for Bitcoin. Tap the buy button underneath Bitcoin and on the next page, browse through the available sellers and select the one with a good reputation. You'll need to go ahead and review the trade details for this specific seller and then enter the amount of Bitcoin you are trying to purchase at the top. You can also go ahead and select your fiat currency by tapping on the BTC dropdown and enter the amount you are willing to spend in order to purchase BTC. After entering the amount, you will be able to see how much BTC you will be receiving right where it says buy at the bottom in green. Now simply click on the buy button in order to purchase Bitcoin from that specific seller. Follow the seller's instructions to complete the payment, and after the payment, the seller will release the Bitcoin to your Paxful account. But make sure to always check the seller's feedback and terms to ensure a secure transaction. That is how you purchase Bitcoin on Paxful account using the Paxful mobile app. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next episode. Thanks for watching.